I rise to lead a debate on this very important bill, a bill for an act to amend the Orthopedic Hospital Management Board Act, CAP 010, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, to provide for the establishment of the Orthopedic Hospital Management Board and affiliated to Federal Teaching Hospital Gombe, and for other related matters. Mr. Speaker, my very respected honorable colleague, the bill is divided into 4 clauses. It is, first is to amend the 2nd and 3rd schedule of the Principal Act by inserting the proposed orthopedic hospital Billiri and the Federal Teaching Hospital Gombe State and those hospitals created under the regime, as well as the attendant affiliated teaching hospitals. Note that presently the orthopedic hospital in the Northeast, Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleague, I note that presently there is no existing orthopedic hospital in the northeastern part of Nigeria. Most people, particularly that we have cases, we have to take patients and move them to Kano. So, Mr. Speaker, in the Northeast, as I said, we are appealing by having this hospital in Gombe State. It will assist in reducing the suffering of Nigerians who carry patients and travel across some parts of the state in the country. And also, when the bill is passed to law, we have provisions of existing structure and a land of more than 10,000 square meters that the community has offered for this purpose. So it will also reduce the cost of governance because there's an existing structure that can be used in handling that one. Somebody is protesting. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleague, I appeal to all my respected honorable colleagues to give this bill a very speed support to enable.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
You've gone beyond your minutes that I have.